Yep, another flight of the T-28, practicing crosswind landings. Actually, any landing I'm practicing.
This is pretty simple. Your own Spectrum or DSM-2 compatible transmitter. If you have a different brand,
You see how the wind is tossing that around.
And receiver. That's pretty simple, right?
Yep.
And he'll go, "What's DSM?" Because this guy's a fucking newbie. I know it. You can already tell when he asks me what transmitter he needs when I write in the ad. DSM-2 transmitter.
Oh, wait until you see that video. That was a crazy landing, Astor. You should have seen that, man.
Do it again.
Oh, no, I ain't doing that again.
Do it again, Don.
Okay, here we go.
I'm not responsible for
Okay,
crashes.
you watch now.
I got one eye watching you and
don't
one
be
eye
missing
watching the
it.
plane.
Don't be missing. Look at how it's throwing it around over there, though.
Oh, yeah. Don't hit those no fucking holes. Little power. That was a great job. Worthy of an applause.
Thanks, man. I'll do one coming across this way. Oop. Oh, right into the cub. Well, I didn't like that cub anyway.
I thought for sure you was going to get my teeth.
Hey, at least I ran into my own
Then
plane.
you swerved, I thought you'd get the table. Then I seen you go by, I thought you had it. Then I seen the cup.
Yeah, I thought I had it too.
Good thing Jay didn't have his pickup truck there.
God, I know, man. I'd have taken it out for sure. Look at that. T-28's like, what are you doing in the hangar? You're a freaking piece of shit, man.
Oh.
Ow!
Oh.
Hit the rocks. Damn gravel on the side of the runway. Frickin' gravel on the side of the runway. Thought you were supposed to come out here with a broom and sweep all that shit off. The old T-28. was really ugly. Well, thanks for watching.